So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Solana with a credit card on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press home. Then on this page where it says buy, swap, send, receive, press buy. Then at the bottom, press buy crypto with cash. Once you're on this page, go ahead and select Solana, which I will do right now, and then press it one more time. Now on this page, type in the amount of Solana that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $80 worth, I would type in 80. And right below that, make sure that debit or credit is selected. So it could say Apple Pay, for example. But because you want to buy Solana with a credit card, make sure that debit or credit is selected, and then press continue. Then on this page, you have to go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, press continue, and then proceed to the next steps where you type in your credit card information and complete the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Solana with a credit card on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.